brains. Sorry if the audio's a little weird in here. It's kind of echoey. Echo! Oh, changes my voice. Just kidding. Miss Bird is also here with us right there. That's her. Guys, we're in our new house. So instead of doing just the general YouTuber walkthrough, I thought we'd take it up a little bit and let Miss Bird take us on a nice little tour.
Who's there? What up? Welcome to my crib. Is that how you do it? Is that how the superstars do it?
Sorry, I'm just trying to get their camera angles.
Welcome in, come on in. Take a look around. All right, so here we have some tile and there's some wood over there. That's what we walk on in the house. It's what you step on. This is where you do your duties, like a big boy. Yeah, this is good stuff. There's more wood in here, so you know if you want to walk around some more, it's a lot more wood. This is a pole, a column of some sort. It's really nice and sturdy, and it serves no purpose at all, so that's really awesome. There's some doors in the middle of the house just in case, you know, you're like, hey, fuck you. Close the doors. It's not effective because, you know, there's still an open window here, but you can really get the point across with these doors. This is where you keep the red-headed stepchild, so this is actually Justin's room. Not very good lighting. No! Yeah, that was rude. It's actually kind of a neat little space. You can put all 6 of your winter coats here. Except we live in Texas, so 6 bathing suits. We have more wood, in case you haven't noticed. There's more wood in here. This is where we will eat things, put things into our bodies. Nice kitchen area. This here is good for cutting vegetables and or fruits on. Also, you know, maybe having a little bowl with something on there, like fake fruits. This is a microwave. This is one of the luxuries of our century. You can microwave your food. Increase your potential for cancer because who doesn't like that? This is where a fridge would go, but we don't believe in refrigeration devices. We actually dig deep holes and put all of our meats in there with salt. This is where we're gonna keep the dogs. So, you know, Penny, Iris, Jack, they're just gonna sit right in there. We can keep their food in here. It's a perfect area for them. So this fireplace is good for grandpa storytelling time. You would just put your grandpa right here with his chair and his book. Children sit around him and he reads the stories. Usually during Christmas time, it's better if you have cookies, so keep that in mind. Fireplace. All right, let's go upstairs. Continuation of wood, although this is a different color wood, so don't let it throw you off, it's still wood. We have a nice rug up here. You can actually see what you're supposed to do is just, you get in the rug and just kind of do this, and you know, you can sleep here. It's pretty good. Oh, oh. Oh, sit.
Dad?
Hello. Help. I'm gonna get dizzy. Oh. Ooh. Good idea. All right, rug. That's where we sleep. Get in there. This is where most of our parents will pee. So this is where my mom, you know, anyone that stays over Lawrence will probably pee here at some point. They also will be naked in there. That's the naked spot. Party. Bathroom. Said people that sleep and get naked will also, I say sleep, I meant pee. They're gonna sleep in this room. Just a plain old little area here. Got a little closetry space, just for if you want to take a time out just from life. Juices. And then over here, we have the office space. Nice little desk area here. Put some stuff on the walls. Again, timeout space if you just need a moment or whatever. And over here, if we ever don't feel like sleeping in the rug, we could actually sleep in this area. You know, watch maybe some TV, sleep on a mattress if we feel that we want to do that. And this is where we pee. Got some sinks. This is where you wash your feet. So you just kind of put your feet in here and you know, you turn it on, you wash it like that. Preferred washing method. This is for your hair. So you know, you fill it to the top here and you just kind of dunk like that. Gets it all clean. There's a window here. So if, you know, when you're done washing your hair, what you want to do is just pop this open. And I'm not gonna do it today, but you know, you just punch this out and hang your head outside and the breeze will dry your hair for you. There's some dogs back there. Hi, Poochie! They say hello. This is the naked stall as well. So you definitely want to unclothe from here. Justin actually won't be using this because he's too tall. It's perfect for me, but he only gets to wash his feet and dunk his head. It's the only things he can do here. It's a nice private quarters to take your pees and your poos. So you just, you know, have your own little peaceful, quiet time. I'm all done. Nice little closet space. We have a nice his side and a hers side with shelving for all of my unnecessary junk that I accumulate over time. All right, moment y'all have been waiting for. The garage, just kidding. You have to watch another episode if you want to see that room. Alright guys, thanks for coming and checking out my crib. Oh, can you just rewind that a little bit?
Yeah.
Thanks for coming and checking out our crib. And you don't gotta go home, but you gotta get the f*** out of here. Bye.